Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your Jlab Go Air Sport is not charging and what you can do about it. So the best thing you can do is to do a factory reset. So take both earbuds out, then put them back in, and you want to see this red light. And now what you want to do is press 7 times the right earbud, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it's going to do beep 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 beep, the blue thing. Then on the left side too, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it's going to do beep 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 beep, beep. Did you see that? So that's the goal there. And then you're gonna close it, and then you got it. So this is how you're gonna do the factory reset for the Jlab Go Air Sport if they are not working, and if you can charge them. And of course, try to use a different port for the cable that's kind of like clean a little bit, but not with water, of course. So maybe that can be an issue, and that's it. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.